The deep taste and flavor created by nature, worked out through fermentation in a tunnel, adds value and elegance to your dish. It has unique depth of fermentation. It's Shinangchon Soy Sauce. Yes, Shinangchon Soy Sauce has an extraordinary taste. Have you thought about why? Here are the reasons. We start from selecting and boiling high-quality soybeans and naturally ferment them for over 6 months. The only underground fermentation tunnel in Korea adds to the rich taste and flavor of the soy sauce, combining healthy, natural fermentations, 100% naturally brewed soy sauce. Close your eyes and taste it. Here unfolds the story of Shinangchon Soy Sauce. Shinangchon Soy Sauce uses the best ingredients, the two most important ingredients which determine the taste of soy sauce, water and soybeans. Shinangchon Soy Sauce is made from natural aquifer water rich in minerals and 100% non-GMO soybeans that passed over 100 types of inspections. Enjoyable and trustworthy food. A masterwork built with sincerity. It's Shinangchon Soy Sauce. The extraordinary taste and flavor of Shinangchon Soy Sauce. The secret lies in the underground tunnel fermentation. Determined to make the best soy sauce, we spent 2 years in building the only underground fermentation tunnel in Korea. Inspired in its shape and functions by traditional Korean jars, the breathing jars under the ground maintain the best fermentation environment throughout 4 seasons with the optimized fermentation conditions. A masterwork shining with unique value. It's Shinangchon Soy Sauce. An environment which makes even microorganisms happy. It is our pride. The happy fermentation environment nature has given us. We maintain it with sincerity of craftsmen. We add to the taste and flavor using the sound wave of classical music and increase customer confidence in us through strict sanitation and quality control. It's Shinangchon Soy Sauce. Brewed with trust. Shining with unique value. Completed with sincere craftsmanship. Preserving natural tastes and flavors through underground tunnel fermentation. Fermentation is what counts in soy sauce. Shinangchon Soy Sauce.